It's Thanksgiving season, which means time to set up our boy Tommy Drumstick. He looks very sad, all deflated. Let's help him out. He still looks rough, TBH. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. He's a bit wobbly, though. Okay, this just looks wrong. We got him a friend so he doesn't get lonely. They look great in their sick ride.